Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your January 2021 readings and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the month of January. All right. So let's see now for my Capricorns, and Happy New Year to all of you and wish you luck for your coming year ahead. All right. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right. Let's see. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. And for those who want to book a personal reading by me, you can DM me or message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura, or you can also click the link for both of my accounts, which is given in the description box below if you want. All right, let's see now what is there for my Capricorns and their person in the month of January 2021. So this is going to be a love reading for my Capricorns and their person. All right. Okay, let's see. One more shuffle, please. One more. All right. So at the back of the deck, we have the Strength and the Emperor. So both of them are major arcana. So I am seeing a big change, a big drift in your side. Capricorns, it's looking to me as if, it's me or myself. You are more into your energy of self evolvement, self-worth, self-growth, and you're working on your money, your work, your career. I'm seeing that thing. I don't feel so much of love in your part right now. Let's see now what are the energies. See, because I'm seeing that, with the Hermit over here, I'm seeing that from your end, it's looking to me as if you are more into your energy, yourself, soul searching mode you are in, and you don't want to go in that love zone anymore. You just want to be with yourself. You just want to find out some kind of things in like from past, what happened, why it happened, some lessons. You are searching in that zone. Whatever happened, what exactly happened, and how did it happen, and where was my fault. Basically, you are learning. You want to learn. You do not want to do not want to just repeat those mistakes, whatever happened in the past. So that is why I'm seeing that you are more into your soul searching mode right now. Let's see what else do we have for Hermit. Yeah, Five of Swords. So it's been a hard time for you. It was a really hard year, we can say, and now it's like with new resolutions, with new things coming up, you just want to be a different person now. You don't want to involve yourself in those past memories, bad things. That is why you want to declutter your mind from the past things. With Ace of Wands, see, you just want to declutter your mind. You want to make your mind with good thoughts. You want to bring new learnings, new knowledge. You want to read more books. You are more into your inner stage, because these cards, Hermit and Ace of Wands, is clearly telling me that you want to gain knowledge. You want to gain some spiritual knowledge, spiritual growth in your life. Let's see your person over here, Six of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that they want to give that love to you. There is someone over there who wants to give it, although you're not seeing that person, but that person is around you. The Emperor. Yes, this might be an Aries, but the energy like an Aries, the energy like a person who is very dominant, but who is a businessman, who is someone who works for himself, who does not works under anyone. So that is that energy. You might be connected with this person, like you might be talking to this person. You have some kind of a spark with this person. It can be a friend as well. It does not has to be somebody, some kind of a person. He or she can be anything, anyone. a friend who is helping you with yourself, with your soul searching, and it can be that thing. What else do we have? Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they want you to go towards a new self searching mode, new growth. Okay, so they want you to be somebody just who just go on and who should not stop. They want you this, Capricorns. Let's see, Two of Pentacles. Why Two of Pentacles is here in the blockage of the connection? What is the blockage of the connection? They might be busy, or this might be you who is very busy in your work, and you have other things in your mind, basically your career, your work, and that is why you do not want to get involved with all those lovey-dovey situations, and that is your person as well. They also do not want you to get involved in a love relationship right now. They want you to grow. They want you to just lead a way for you yourself. Yeah, see, the Empress. They want you to nurture, to grow, that growth which you should let yourself in. And they want you to just declutter your mind. Just, you should stop crying. You should stop thinking about those past incidents, whatever happened, and you should move on in your life. This change is coming really fast in your life, and they also want you to just move on, move away from the bad memories of your past. Nine of Swords is a very beautiful feeling of over here, because I really feel that thing with the Nine of Swords, that this person who is crying over here is like, I really want to just, I don't want those memories to come again to me. You are growing up from this. You are just moving out from this. You want it. You want to move on, because after this, Ten of Swords will come, and then that means that, yeah, this is the end now. So you are going towards that positive thinking to me. See, the Devil. You are attracted. You are just attracted towards this bad energy, but you want to go away. That is really good, because your mind knows that it is just, and see, this is what you want. You want balance, you want peace, harmony in your life, and you are moving towards that thing. You are working for this thing, this peace. You can even travel to places to get this peace. Sometimes we just need some kind of mountains, some beaches, some areas where we just feel ourselves. That is what you want. Four of Pentacles, they are holding on. They are also not going to say anything to you regarding their feelings towards you. They will not say, because they want you to move on. They want you to just be yourself, just come out from that past memories. Then we will have a talk regarding the situation. Then we will talk about the relationship, or about the marriage, or whatever celebration of this friendship as well. Okay, they will help you to come out from the situation first. See, Queen of Pentacles, this is you. They want you to be like this, to be that perfect Queen of Pentacles who looks for herself, who is nurturing, who is very wealthy as well, who knows how to keep her coins safe, who knows how to keep herself safe. So they want you to be like this. All right, so let's see why the Chariot is here in the overall outcome. I'm seeing you moving on with the Chariot. See, two horses, white and black, and it's like they are not going to stop now. No, this outcome is for you, Capricorns. You are not going to stop now. It's a new life, it's a new world for you, and you are not going to stop. See, Tower. Well, the Tower came in reverse. I don't know why, I just felt that. Okay, so the Tower, I feel that the ending has been over. It's finished. Whatever happened. Okay, it was over, and now it's time for a new start, a new beginning. And this is with the Chariot, I'm seeing it's a fast beginning, new but fast beginning. So just be prepared for new things coming your way. Six of Swords. See, you are moving on. You might be even traveling to distant places. You might be even traveling for your work, and you are just going on. You are not going to look back now. It's not your energy, my dear Capricorns. Wow, see, Magician and the Star. So you have manifested something. You have been praying for this thing from a long time, and you were manifesting for this, and it is coming true. The God is telling you that things are coming, the things will come true in your favor. Things will be in your favor. All right. So let's see what we have for answers from heaven. A message for my Capricorns from the heaven, from the universe. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Your guardian angel is there, okay, in heaven. So just think about your guardian angel. Come, let the guardian angel come and contact you. Let's see what is the message for my Capricorns from the guardian angel. They have a very beautiful message for you, I know that. I'm working with angels for your highest good. See, your guardian angel is working with other angels. So they all are working together for your highest good. So it's a very beautiful message, my dear Capricorns. You know, you should just work on yourselves now. That is the perfect message for you. All right. So that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.